Yes, children, after watching the video of multiplication of integers, now you have to do some sums. I am giving you as the homework. So do the following sums. These are multiplication of positive integers and multiplication of negative integers. Okay, the first one, minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to dash. Second one, minus 3 into 5 into minus 9 is equal to dash. Third one, 9 into 7 into minus 6 into minus 4 is equal to dash. And fourth one, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to dash. Fifth one, 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 is equal to dash. Okay, these sums you have to do in the homework book or in the practice book. Okay, after this, one more homework I am going to give you. Okay, now? Please pause the video and note down the sums and do your own in the practice book. Okay? See, children, the second sum I have given you in the form of a table. What you have to do is you have to multiply. Okay, multiplication 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. That means plus 3 to minus 3. Here this is also plus 3 to minus 3. Okay, what we have to do is 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Yes or no? 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 0 is equal to 3 zeros are 0. 3 into minus 1 is equal to minus 3. 3 into minus 2 is equal to minus 6. 3 into minus 3 is equal to minus 9. Okay. So like this you have to fill the all the boxes. Remaining, some I am leaving you some gaps. Coming to here, minus 1 into 3 is equal to minus 3. Minus 1 into 2 is equal to minus 2. Minus 1 into 1 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0, we know. Minus 1 into minus 1. Minus into minus plus. So you can get only plus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus into minus plus. Minus 1 into minus 3 is equal to plus 3. Okay. Like this, if you multiply any number with 0, you can get zeros. Okay. Remaining table you have to complete. Understand? By multiplication. Okay. This is the second homework for you. This also you have to draw the table on a homework book or practice book and you have to fill the table. And while doing the multiplications, if you have any doubt, you can do the multiplication in the right margin. Then you can do it. Understand? So this is the second homework. Please pause the video and note down the table properly. So while noting down, you have to note down this column and this row with numbers. Remaining all you have to keep it as empty. You have to do your own. For your understanding I have given. You have to check whether these are correct or not. Okay now? Please note down. See the next homework. This is the third homework of multiplication of integers. So try these. In this, minus 1 into minus 1. That means multiplication of two negative integers is equal to, what is it? You have to write the answer. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. That is equal to multiplication of three negative integers is equal to, what is the answer and what is the symbol? Minus 1, you have to multiply 4 times. Here we have done 2 times. Here 3 times. here 4 times. Number is same. Here 5 times and here 6 times. Okay. So after multiplying, you have to write the answers here. Understand? So after finding the answers, what do you observe or what do you notice? Suppose if you take two negative numbers, whether you got the symbol is positive or not. If you take three negative integers, whether you got the positive integer or negative integer. If you have taken four negative integers, whether you got a positive integer or a negative integer. Understand? So 5 integers, negative integers. Now then also you have to check whether you got the positive integer or negative integer. 6 integers. This also whether you got positive integer or negative integer. Okay. So these 5 sums also you have to do after completion of the watching the video. Okay. Here I have given you 3 homeworks. First one only multiplication of different integers. Second one is a table. And third one is multiplication of integers in different number of integers. 2 integers, 3 integers, 4 integers, 5 integers and 6 integers. Okay. So you have to multiply all these and you have to write in the homework book. Okay. Please pause the video and note down the sums. These all are negative 1, minus 1 only. So no need to confuse. Understand? So please note down. Now children, the fourth one is fill in the blanks. Just read the blank and you write the answer. Okay. First of all, you have to copy all these 5 blanks in the notebook, in the homework book and write the answers. What are the questions I have given you? The product of two negative integers is a dash integer. It may be positive or negative, that you have to check and write. Take some examples. The product of 3 negative integers is a dash integer. The product of 4 negative integers is a dash integer. The product of 5 negative integers is a dash integer. Okay, next one. The product of 10 negative integers I have taken. So what is the product of 10 negative integers? Negative number into negative number into negative number, like that. 10 integers I have taken. For 10 integers, which integer we will get? Whether it is a positive integer or negative integer. That you have to find out. Okay. Roughly, you can think, if the negative integers are 100 integers, what is the resultant integer symbol? That also you can find out. Okay. Please pause the video and note down the sums. And after that you have to write all the answers, question and answer. That means in the blank like this only. So you have to note down and after that you have to fill the blanks and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Okay students? Right. Please note down.